Brief update on BTC. I am still short as per this setup. We can see that price is getting that move to the downside, currently below the previous month high. If price were to actually bounce from here and gain acceptance above Monday low, at that point I would, start to reconsider closing the short and then flipping long. However, so as long as we're below these levels here, this zone generally, I am going to look for a little bit more of a sweep of the swing failure pattern level. We can see that we got a small one here, but I don't think that this is enough. Not only that, it didn't happen during New York Open. So I am going to look for that one more sweep to the downside, get that weekly and daily naked point of control zone, which is at about 65 600 to 65 700 zone here, where I will close my short position and flip long. So there's a couple different reasons why as well. If we go ahead and just get rid of this here, we'll take a look. We can see that we have a really nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 A, B, C. I'm essentially looking for another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a zigzag pattern here, for then an overall ABC pattern. Something to take note of is the very first target is at about 66, so this does bode well for our primary zone of interest being here. And if this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it does look like it would line up in that way. However, I do want to just bring to your attention, if we do lose this zone, for me, the next logical area of support would be right over here, sort of back testing this area here. And there's a great deal of confluence in this zone as well. Essentially looking then to take out this low for a sweep and a bounce. However, right now, locally, I think that it's still worth watching what happens here before getting too eager and excited about a possible move here. So we do have this local low. We have a nice H4 order block, the weekly daily naked point of control, as well as what would be the very first target for a zigzag at the point 0618, so at about 66 here. So seeing a nice sweep of this low here, holding this low, and getting, start to reclaim some levels, especially Monday low, acceptance back above this, and I think that we would be in for a really nice move. Essentially, when we gain acceptance back inside the Monday range here, right, you would expect for price to then rotate to the opposite end of the range. So once we gain acceptance back in here, regardless of where that happens from, I'll definitely be looking to target Monday high. So we'll have to wait and see what happens, but for the time being, again, I'm simply going to focus on my short position here and my target for that, where I will close, and at that point I will then look to consider flipping long in that area for then a move to take out Monday high.